Your laptop could one day explode if you continue to do this. If you have a laptop that has a working battery, it is important that you allow that battery to charge and discharge every single day. That will prevent the laptop's battery from getting swollen. The swelling of the battery can cause damages like what you're seeing here on the screen to this HP ProBook laptop, where the damage was so bad that it broke the bottom cover of the laptop. Swollen batteries are usually caused from computers that are always plugged in. You should give your battery the chance to learn how to perform by allowing it to drain every single day. But notwithstanding that, if you run into problems and you're not sure how to solve them, see us first at Hi5 Jamaica Services, www.hi5jamaica.com or 1-876-367-1220. We are always your number one choice.